May confirmation ko kanina eh.
Sinabi ko very expensive. Ba't kailangan nila ng D8? D8 and D12. Baka may...
D8?
D8. Baka may travel.
Citrus? D8 Citrus?
Baka meron silang ano.
D8 lang.
Ko
Ang sarap.
a little bit. Just a little.
Pwede pa mag-entour sa kanila kung sila.
Sabi ko nga kung may N8.
Panalo na ako. Naibawi ko na yung Omega. Tingnan mo yung mga email niya, no?
Anak, too much.
Oh. Ay, gawin.
Tanong kay mama dyan kung may tinapay siya. Yung biscuit. Ay, hindi, meron ako dito.
I want the blankie. I want to lay down. Just for a little bit. Please.
Ito na.
All right, how is everybody doing?
Hi.
Thumbs up if you're happy. The rest of you are okay. All right, perfect. Well, welcome on board, everybody. We're going to take you over to Winnipeg. I had a few repeat offenders from a couple days ago, so welcome back on board with me. Who's going home? Just out of curiosity. All right, you're excited to go back to Winnipeg. You guys missed out on the storms yesterday, so that's good. Who was here for a sporting event? Yeah, okay. Anybody here for a concert? That's fun. Okay, cool. Everybody else is just here just because it's Toronto and why not, right? Vacation? One person on vacation.
Concert din.
All right, nobody wants to talk to me. That's fine. Two of you.
Dali.
All right, so we're going to do our safety demonstration. I kindly ask to give headphones in just to remove them until the safety has been done in English. And then we'll follow it up with some French. Thank you.
Dahil laki ng problema nung Tisoy kanina, no? Laki ng problema yun. Yung ano daw niya, puno na. Kasi mo nga suwawa kung okay lang siya. Sabi no ano sa akin, ay ganda ng ano mo.
And may we now have your attention for the
Paklain
following
din.
safety demonstration.
Tindakan
Your
nila.
safety features card is located in the
Ang ganda ng
pocket in
bracelet.
front of you. Please take the card out.